First is Ganesha Puja.
ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं कर्तासि.
Tell the
तुम्ही
meaning.
वस-
सांगता येईल का?
मीनिंग सांगितलं तर वेळ फार लागेल.
नाही ना, तेवढा त्या करतात ना. म्हणजे तेवढा तेच होतात ना.
तुम्ही राहुल पाय धुण्याचं काम त्यांना सांगा.
हो, तुम्ही उभे राहा आणि त्याचा अर्थही सांगा. म्हणजे ते शुड नो द मिनिंग. जमेल?
ते जमेल तेवढं सांग.
हो, तेवढं जमेल तेवढं सांगा.
अजून बोलता.
This is I have told him to today say it out. Now this is what we were saying, that Christ is described in short. This is very short description. And what he is actually, his all aspects have been described in short. Again in short, very much in short. These few things he will be reading it and explaining it to you while you just watch it. You are being
ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्विदं खल्मिदं ब्रह्मासि साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं. Now here we worship the Lord Jesus in the name of Lord Ganesha. He is supposed to be in totality the essence of all the principles. He is in totality all the principles of the universe. Tattvamasi means the totality of all the principles of the universe. Then he is supposed to be the Kartasi. Kartasi means he is supposed to do all the doings. It is he who does all the doings. Then he says Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi means he is the supporter of all the things in the universe.
He is the support.
Then he is the Kevalam Hartasi. Harane.
He is the one who takes away.
He takes away all the problems. He takes away all the problems of the universe.
He is the succor of all the problems of the universe.
Then it is said Tvameva Sarvidam Khalvidam Brahmasi means he is the totality of the universe. Brahma
Brahma is this Brahma Shakti.
All pervading energy.
Pranav.
He himself is all pervading energy. Tvameva Sakshat Atmasi Nityam. He is always
present in you as the spirit.
Spirit also. Rutam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. He always says the truth. He always says whatever he says.
Is the truth. Not
all
he
this
says the truth,
is the truth.
but he is the truth.
Rutam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. Avaktam Mam, Avavaktaram, Avashrotaram, Avadhataram, Avadhataram, Avanuchamanava Shishyam, Avapashyatat, Avapurasat. हा श्लोक पूर्ण करून मग आपण अवोत्तरातात, अवदक्षिणातात, अवचोर्ध्वरातात, अवाधरातात, सर्वतो माम पाहि पाहि समंतात. Here he says that he is supposed to be the doer, as we said. That means he is in the hearing is done by him. The speaking is also done by him. He is in the Shishya. Shishya means
In the disciples.
the disciples.
In the disciple principle.
Disciple principle is also the Lord Ganesha. It is in the principle of teacher also is the principle of Lord Jesus. It is also on all the directions, that is east, west, north, south.
He exists in all the
He
directions.
exists in all the directions. And since he exists in all the directions, he is all pervading, everywhere, on the top, in the bottom, everywhere. Tvam Vangmayastvam Chinmayastvam Anandamayastvam Brahmamayastvam Satchidananda Dvitiyosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi. He says the entire the Vangmay
means
literature. The entire literature is he himself.
He is the complete literature.
Complete literature. He is the complete Ananda. Ananda means joy. Brahmamayas. Anandamayas tam Brahmamayas.
You are the one who is the all pervading.
He is all pervading.
Power within us.
He is all pervading power within us. Satchidananda Dvitiyosi. If there is any other better happiness.
No, Satchidanand means Dvitiyosi means you nobody can compare you
With
to your capacity to be Satchit Anand.
Satchit Ananda means Sat means truth, Chit means attention, and Ananda means happiness. So it's a completion.
And nobody can be compared.
And nobody can be compared with you. Tvam pratyaksham brahmasi. You are in totality existing Brahma,
The creator.
the creator. Tvam jnanamayo vijnanamayosi. You are the knowledge and you are the
Science
of knowledge. Then sarvam jagadinam tvatto jayate, sarvam jagadinam tvattisthasi, sarvam jagadinam tvai laimeshati, sarvam jagadinam tvai pratyeti, tvam bhumirapo naro nilo nabha, tvam chatvari vakpadani. That means here he says, when the whole world goes away, I mean it is destroyed, it is he who remains. Sarvam jagadinam tvattisthasi. When the whole body, I mean whole...
No, Tishtati means it stays.
When the whole
world stays
whole
because
world
of
stays,
you.
it is because of him.
As long as you are there, the world will stay. Let him be. Let him be. That's also very... Sit down.
सर्वम जगदिदम त्वयि लयमयष्यति. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला सर्व जगाचा लय होतो त्यावेळेला सुद्धा हे राहतात, लयाच्या वेळेला सुद्धा येतात.
When you are completely, the whole world is destroyed, that time
during the
also you are
destruction
there.
period also
You are the witness.
he is the witness.
So,
त्वयि प्रत्येति. सर्वम जगदिदम त्वयि
so
प्रत्येति.
Pratyati. And everybody can only experience you and nothing else.
Everybody can
Pratyati.
experience, the experience is through him. If you are getting any experience of divine, it is because of him.
Through him.
From bhumirapo naro nilo nabha. He is the soil. He is the apo means the jala tattva means he is the water, and
He is the
anala means agni. He is the fire. Nilo nava means he is the akasha.
He is the sky, ether.
Prithvi, aap, tej, vayu, akash. He is the fire. He is the fire. Also.
All the elements.
त्वम चत्वारी वाक्पदानी. म्हणजे आता चत्वारी वाक्पदानी चारी तऱ्हेच्या ह्या ज्या भाषा आहेत, परा, पश्यन्ति, मध्यमा, वैखरी, these are also governed by
him.
Is by the Ganesh.
There are, you see, 4 stages of your sound. So when they
at the moment
para, pashyati, madhyama,
and
you see,
Vaikhari.
there are 4 stages of your sound that starts from here.
First one from the Navi, second one from here, para, pashyanti, madhyama, and Vaikhari. Vaikhari means from the sound from here which we speak. So
see,
what I am talking
the
at the
sound
moment is
starts from
Vaikhari.
here. This is para. Sound starts from para. From here it starts. Then it goes into pashyanti. The heart just pulsates. But it is pashyanti means it is just watching. Here it is madhyama. It is in the center. Which it doesn't neither watch nor this thing. And then at the mouth part it becomes eloquent.
Vaikhari.
So all these 4 stages of the sound are governed by
the
by
Lord
you.
Jesus. त्वं गुणत्रयातीता, त्वं देहत्रयातीता, त्वं कालत्रयातीता, त्वं मूलाधारसितोऽसि नित्यं, त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः, त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं, त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूस्वरो. Now here he has been described in a little different way. He is beyond all the gunas, that means beyond all the virtues.
No, not gunas means virtue. Gunas means moods.
Qualities.
Moods.
Good qualities.
You see, tamo gun, rajo gun, and sattva gun. He is beyond that. He is transcended. You see, for him, there is nothing like sin. Whatever he does is divine.
Tvam dehatrayatita.
You are beyond your body.
Beyond the body.
See, that's why he was
Tvam kalatrayatita means he is beyond the death, beyond the time and beyond the death. Tvam mooladhara sthitosi nityam. Now mooladhara means the mooladhara of universe. Mooladhara chakra of the universe. There he resides. Mooladhara sthitosi nityam. Tvam shaktitrayatmakaha means he is the Shakti himself.
3 powers.
He has all the powers.
3 powers, na?
Shaktitrayatmakaha.
means all these
Mahalakshmi,
three powers,
Mahasaraswati, and Mahakali. Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, and Mahakali. All the three powers he has. Shakti. Tvam yogino dhyayanti nityam means yogis, means all the saints of the universe, they always meditate
Upon
for
you.
him and upon him.
all the time.
All the time. Nityam means every time. Tvam Brahma means he is Brahma.
He's the creator.
He is the creator. He is Vishnu.
He is the
He
sustainer.
Sustainer.
He's the protector.
He is Rudra. Rudra means
He's
he is
the
the
one
destroyer. Rudra. He is the Indra.
Huh?
Indra.
Indra is the,
He is the god of all the gods. God of the gods. Indra. From Agni, he is the fire. Agni. He is the wind. He is the sun. He is the moon. Brahma Bhus Varum. And Parmeshwarata Svar.
He is
Brahma
the,
Tasva.
he's the sound of God.
He is the sound of God.
Omkara.
Omkara. Ganadim Purva Ucharya Varanadim Tadanantaram Anuswara Parataraha Ardhendulasitam Tarena Ruddham Etatvam Anuswarupam Gakarah Purva Rupam Akaroha Madhya Rupam Anuswarashchantya Rupam Binduruttarupam Narasandhanam Sahita Saindhi Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganakarushi Nichurut Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Now here, how the Omkara has come out through him and how every aspect of Omkara is he himself. It
He's the
has been
assemblage
explained.
of all.
Assemblage of all
Ganadika,
and indicate.
Ganadika.
गणादीम पूर्व उच्चार्य म्हणजे त्यांचे गण कोण कोण आहेत त्यांचं पहिल्यांदा
गण की गण?
गणादीम
गणादीम.
गणादीम पूर्व उच्चार्य वर्णादीम तदनंतर पहिल्यांदा आम्ही त्यांचे गण कोण आहेत त्यांचं वर्णन केलं हे सगळे त्यांचे गण आहेत आणि आता त्यांचं वर्ण काय आहेत तर वर्ण म्हणजे ओंकार असं त्यांचं म्हणणं दिसतं वर्णादीम तदनंतर
इंग्लिश मध्ये सांगा गण मीन्स all the celestial beings on the left hand side are called as ganas. You see, the leader of them is Saint Michael.
So all these is you.
He is even before them. He is born even before them. He is even higher than them.
वर्णादीम तदनंतरम वर्ण मीन्स वर्णादीम तदनंतरम म्हणजे जितके वर्ण तयार झालेले आहेत पृथ्वीवरचे ऑल दी वर्णास आर क्रिएटेड आफ्टर हिम.
You see, this is what is Alpha and Omega. That he is the first word that is created, and he is the last word. He is above the last word that is created. Varna.
अनुस्वार परतरः अनुस्वार परतरः
Anuswaraha.
अनुस्वार म्हणजे बिंदू स्थिती सुद्धा ही
पण ह्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये नाही ना सांगणार.
आता इंग्लिश मध्ये ही स्थिती नाही सांगता येणार. You see, there is a stage after realization which is supposed to be first
Above
of all above Sahasrara is Ardhabindu Sthiti, Bindu Sthiti and Valaya Sthiti. So from Bindu Sthiti all the sthitis, all the stages
Yes.
from Bindu Sthiti onwards there are something like 14 stages above. All the stages are governed by this. So Ardhendula Sthita Anuswara Paratara Ardhendula Sthita. Ardhendula म्हणजे Ardhabindu Sthiti is also him. The first stage of Ardhabindu. Ardhabindu.
अर्धबिंदू बिंदू गेलाय.
तारेण रुद्धम याच्यावर तारण करणारी सुद्धा शक्ती त्यांचीच आहे.
The one
तारेण
who gives
रुद्धम
you salvation.
एतत् तव त्वम अनुस्वरूपम म्हणजे अशा तऱ्हेने तुम्ही अनुस्वार स्वरूपात आहात.
ते दिसतं ना. You see the vibrations, I don't know if you can see them. It looks like a comma. Anuswar is commas. So that's how you recite like little
A
commas.
comma of the
If you can
entire
see
life.
them,
It's a comma of life.
त्याच्यात नुसती भूतच दिसतात.
हा. एतत्व अनुस्वरूपम गकार पूर्वरूपम. आता ह्याचं वर्णन आहे गकार पूर्वरूपम. गकार यांना कसं समजायचं मला नाही समजत. अकारो मध्यम रूप म्हणजे ओंकाराचं वर्णन आहे.
See the complete Omkara is first is Gakara, is Ganpati, Gakara Purva Rupam. The first is, you see, you take the form of Ganesha in the beginning, Purva Rupam. Ganesha is in there. Then you take the form of Omkara.
अकारो मध्यम रूपम
Then,
अनुस्वाराश्च अंत्य रूपम.
and the last is where you become just a comma.
अनुस्वाराश्च अंत्य रूपम. बिंदू रूप रूपम त्याच्यानंतर सगळ्यात शेवटी म्हणजे बिंदू रूप. उत्तर म्हणजे उत्तर बिंदुरुत्तरो नाद संधान संधी सैषा. आता नादाने जर तुम्हाला जर जाणायचं असेल, इफ यू हॅव टू लर्न हिम फ्रॉम द साऊंड, देन नाद संधान संधी सैषा श्री गणेश विद्या. देन दॅट नॉलेज, दॅट the knowledge of learning through the sound is known as Shri Ganesha Vidya.
Sound is mantras.
Mantras.
To know him through the mantras,
and the master of
learn the Ganesha Vidya is,
Ganesha Vidya
is the knowledge of
Ganesha
Jesus.
Vidya, Lord of Jesus.
If you have to know the mantras, you have to know through the knowledge that the whole science is the knowledge of Ganesha. Or you can call the Vidya of Ganesha, means the technique of Ganesha.
And
if you have to know how the mantras work out, this is the science. The science is called as Ganesha Vidya. It's all his science.
Then the Rishi of that is the master, the teacher of that Vidya, that knowledge is supposed to be the Ganaka Rishi. It is his name, Ganaka Rishi.
That's why he is called as Ganaka Rishi. That's why it's called, because he is the master of that. He's the master of the art of mantras, the sound.
Then Vichrut Gayatri Chandaha means he is the master of Gayatri. आता गायत्री कसं सांगायचं? गायत्री छंद. छंदाला काय म्हणायचं?
छंद.
छंदामध्ये परत गायत्री.
It's a mantra. Gayatri is one of the mantras.
पण गायत्री हा छंद
on the right hand side. छंद is rhetoric.
नाही, छंद म्हणजे ताल आले त्याच्यात छंदांच्या बरोबर. म्हणजे म्युझिक ऑफ ऑल द मंत्रास. Music of all the mantras is again the rhythm of the mantras is again.
You see, you have to say mantras with a certain rhythm, and he is the rhythm
of all the mantras. विचारूत गायत्री छंद म्हणजे त्याच्यात गायत्रीचा छंद आहे. गायत्रीचा छंद म्हणजे गणेश आहे. गणपती देवता. Now the God himself is again Ganesha. That is the Lord Jesus. God himself for all this performation is again श्री गणेशा. गणपती देवता. ओम गम म्हणजे त्याची आता गायत्री सांगण्यात आलेली, म्हणजे त्या मंत्राची, ह्या गणपतीची जी गायत्री काय ती सांगण्यात आली ती आहे की ओम गम गणपते नमः.
How to initiate, what do you call for awaken? How to awaken
this deity? For that the mantra has been given over here. That mantra is like this: Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. This is the mantra for awakening this deity. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Then there is a prayer for him.
Have you done it?
Then subsequently, then 2 stanzas is a prayer for this God. I will just recite it. Ekadantaya vidmahe vakrutundaya dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat. Ekadantas chaturhastam pashamankushadharanam. Now this God is how does he behave?
You see,
how is his description? That description has been made over here. He is having one tooth.
Because with another one he writes.
Ekadantam.
And he's got the trunk.
Pashamankushadharanam. Pash म्हणजे
is one of the loops.
He has got in his hand.
He controls you with a loop. If you try to misbehave, then he puts a loop around you and pulls you back. Pash,
Ankush means is a kind of an instrument.
Scepter.
Which can just prick.
Yes. Ankusha is that you use it on the elephant. Control. Huh?
No, when you use on it on the elephant, on the top, when you sit with that particular point.
But it's a guiding instrument.
Ekadantam chaturha. Pashamankushadharana. All these things he is having. Radam cha varadam hastaihi. Varada hasta means he is offering you a hand, another
protection.
hand like of protection. Cha varadam hasta. Bibhrana mushakadvajam. Mouse is his carrier. Is a
I mean
symbol.
something very humble.
Symbol.
Very humble.
Symbol to him.
His mouse for him, and for Christ also the donkey, which is the humblest animal.
Raktam lambodaram shurparanakam raktavasasam means he wears the red clothes. He likes to wear the red clothes, the one which Mataji has been wearing just now, the red thing.
Red clothes.
Raktagandhanuliptangam. This particular on forehead, Raktagandhanu means it should be the red one. Raktagandhanuliptangam. Even on the body, he would like to put the red saffron and red things on the body.
At least on his chakras we should put red.
Raktagandham. Raktapushpai Supujita means he likes the red flowers very much.
That's why.
Very much red flowers. That's why on that day you had brought so many red flowers on the other day for the puja. So it is Supujitam means if you want to do an ideal puja, Supujitam means if you want to do an ideal puja, you have to have the red flowers for him. Bhaktanukampinam devam jagat karanam achyutam. For the devotees, he has the tremendous compassion. And the compassion is for the good of the whole universe. The compassion which flows through him is for the universal good. Avirbhutam cha srishtyado prakrute purushatmakam. He comes on the earth every time to do manifestation into the human beings. To give emancipation to the human beings, and that's how he manifests even as a human being.
See.
Evam dhyayatiyo nityam so yogi yoginam vara. So the yogi who resides,
not an
unknown person,
No,
not an
a
ordinary
yogi
person.
means anybody going to church.
Is not a yogi.
That's not a yogi. See, a
Yogi
yogi.
means yena jayate iti yoga. The connection through which you know the divine is supposed to be a yoga. That is
See,
supposed to
yena
be a yoga.
jayate means by which you know. But jnayate. Yena jnayate.
So the connection through which you know the divine is known as yoga. Now such yogis worship this Lord Ganesha and the Lord Jesus in this fashion all along by meditation.
Only the yogis again.
And they meditate. They worship by meditation, not by chanting mantras like me just now. Namo Vratapate, Namo Ganapate, Namo Prathamapate, Astu Lambodara, Ekadantaya, Vignanashine, Shri Suvasutaya, Shri Varadamurtaya Namo. Here, such divine personality, I bow to you, always. In all purity, I bow to you. That's what it has been said. Every time,
Because he is purity.
every time, for any good cause, I bow to you. And you are the son of the spirit. That's what it has been said. Shiva Sutaya manje, he is the son of the spirit.
Shiva.
He is born out of Shiva.
Shiva is
Shiva means the spirit of the universe.
Yeah, Shiva, Sitana Maiti, you know Shiva. You know?
Shri Varadamurtaye Namo Namah. So the
You are
Varadamurta
the
means
one.
the one who gives. Who blesses.
You are the statue of blessings. You are the statue of
Statue of
blessings.
blessing. That's what. That is. बोलो श्री भगवती माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय.
This is just the abridged form.
Most abridged form. There are only 8 shlokas.